Otto cycle. Otto cycle basically constant volume cycle. Otto cycle used for spark ignition engine, whereas the heat addition at a constant volume. Mean our heat addition and heat rejection, that process are at a constant volume, and expansion and compression both process are same as. So same first 1 to 2 process is the, you can see that the in PV diagram make a curve 1 to 2 isentropic compression. Isentropic compression means the adiabatic. Adiabatic means the Q constant. When Q constant is the S is constant. S means in enthalpy, entropy. S is constant. So you, that is the, that is S line, that is the T line. 1 to 2 is the S is constant. S1 is equal to S2 in the C in bottom second graph. 1 to 2 process is the S entropy S is constant. Second is the 2 to 3. 2 to 3. 2 to 3 is the, you can see the heat addition. Heat addition is the constant volume. You see the PV diagram. In PV diagram, you see that the P and B, 2 to 3 process is the volume is constant. That time heat or addition. Third process 3 to 4 isentropic expansion process. Means the here are work are obtained. You can see the W is denoted by the work. The during 3 to 4 process, that is the compression compression after heat addition. After heat addition due to spark, then the expansion is to continue to that process. Expansion means the work output, that work in the 3 to 4 process. Here again our heat is constant. When the our heat constant here, during the no heat loss, no heat addition, no heat loss, due to known as the isentropic process, and that period of our entropy is constant. You can see this figure 3 to 4 is the our entropy S is constant. Again 4 to 1, 4 to 1 is the constant, that you can see the constant volume process. Here are heat or exhaust, here heat addition, here are 4 to 1 is the heat exhaust, that is the constant volume process. In TS diagram, constant volume process make a curve. 4 to 1 is the our isentropic expansion process. Last 4 to 1 the constant volume heat rejection process. So what is the heat addition? Q बराबर Q1 Q QA. Q means the heat addition. QA heat, Q divided by heat. Heat is the A for addition. Means the heat addition whose process are, that is the 2 to 3 process. During 2 to 3 process are our heat addition. So M, the M into CV into delta T, our heat. So MCV, C is the specific heat. Specific heat at a constant volume. So write down the MCV into T3 minus T2. Delta T means the final temperature minus T3 minus which temperature maximum, T3 minus T2. And heat rejection process occur in the process 4 to 1. 4 to 1 between that 4 to 1 means the MCV. Here are also the constant volume. So specific heat is the constant volume at MCV. Final T4, who is the maximum, T4 minus T1, maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. Both heat are heat addition and heat rejection. When heat addition and heat rejection find out, then the what is the work done? W बराबर heat addition minus heat rejection. That is the work done. Work done QA is Q, work done W is equal to QA minus QR. MCV T3 minus T2 minus T4 minus T1. That is the our work done. Our efficiency means output upon input. Output here are the work and input is the heat addition. efficiency of cycle, net work output upon heat supplied. QA minus QR, that is the work done, divided by QA heat addition. You can write the 1 minus QR upon QA is equal to 1 minus MCV T4 minus T1 MCV T3 minus T2. So here are anyway T4 minus T1, T3 by T2 both are same during the T3 minus T2, T4 minus T1 MCV is the, that is the 4. Here are in our efficiency the 4 variable. Anyway make a one variable. Here are one variable, here are one, basically 2 variable. That is our motive to some process to change here only 2 variable. That time the efficiency is the dependent on 4 quantity. That is the impossible. Only find out the higher temperature and lower temperature. You can see in the Carnot cycle that efficiency dependent upon 2 temperature. Same as here are also conversion to use of some process. You can here are MCV are both our nominator denominator same, then cancel to each other. Then our first for isentropic process between 1 to 2 process, expansion and our compression expansion, both process is the isentropic process. Means 1 to 2 PV के power gamma right by T2 upon T1 is equal to V1 by V2 के power gamma minus 1. Then you know what is the T2 is equal to T1 into V1 by V2 के power gamma minus 1. What is the R? R is the compression ratio, volume before compression V1, volume after compression V2. Back to come here. Volume compression process are start from 1 to 2. What is the compression ratio? Simply compression ratio say that the volume after compression ratio. What is the volume after compression ratio? V1. Before volume before compression ratio, before compression volume is the V1, and after compression done after volume is the V2. That means compression ratio is the volume before compression ratio V1 divided by volume after compression ratio V2. That ratio known as the compression ratio. Volume before compression V1, volume after compression is known as V2. That ratio is say that by compression ratio. That means you can say that the T2 is equal to V1 by V2 is equal to R, then T2 is equal to T1 R के power gamma minus 1. Means our T2 are changed by T1. Then next isentropic between the process, again 3 to 4 process. Between 3 to 4 process, T3 by T4 is equal to V4 by V3 के power gamma minus 1, V1 by V2 के power. You know, you are going back slide where I see that the V4 volume of V1 is equal to V4 are same in PV cycle, and V3 is equal to V2. Then the V4 are replaced by V1 and V3 is equal to V2. That means you can say that the T3 equal to T4 into R के power, that V1 by V2 is the what is R. Then T3 equal to write the T4 into R के power gamma minus 1. That means T3 is equal to T4 के power into R, because of V1 by V2 is equal to R. You know, when V4 is equal to V1 and V3 is equal to V2, that means V1 by V2 is the compression ratio. So our T3 equal to T4 into R के power gamma minus 1. That means when T3 equal to put T3 equal to T4, T3 is equal to T4 minus T4 into r power gamma minus 1, and T4 minus T1 back. Put here T3 equal to T4 के पावर गामा minus 1 and T2 is equal to T1 into r के पावर gamma. When the r के पावर gamma minus 1 common, then T4 minus T1 top and bottom are means numerator denominator same, then cancel it. That is our next. That our efficiency is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 T4 into r के पावर gamma minus 1 minus T1 के पावर r into gamma minus 1. Then you can see the r के power minus 1, r के power gamma minus 1 both are the same. Then take it common. Then T4 minus T1, our numerator T and denominator both are same. Cancel it. Then efficiency of our Otto cycle is 1 minus 1 के power r के power gamma minus 1. You can see, look at our equation. Efficiency of the Otto cycle is the dependent upon compression ratio, that is the R. He is not dependent upon temperature, he is dependent upon compression ratio. You can, so we can say that the more compression ratio, more efficiency of cycle.